Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Andrea here. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on just so you don't miss any more videos, okay? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to put on eyelashes, so stay tuned. Bye!
Go ahead and pick up your favorite pair of lashes. These are Ardell Fauxminx lashes that I picked up at Ulta Beauty. Go ahead and get your tweezers and your favorite lash glue. You also need a mirror or a compact mirror. So go ahead and lightly apply your glue to your lashes, and then what you want to do is make sure they dry down to the point that they get tacky. So you want to hold your eyelash in the middle with your tweezer. Then you want to look down and then land your eyelashes as close to your natural lash line as possible. You can then go in and press in the outer ends of your eyelashes. The glue that I'm using doesn't dry clear, it dries black. You can still kind of see it, but when it dries up, it'll be a seamless finish. So if you're a beginner, it really helps to use eyeliner to cover up the spaces between your fake lashes and your real ones. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did to one eye to the other. So go ahead, make sure you look down, hold in the middle of your lash, land your lash in the middle of your eye, then press the inside and outside corners to your lashes as close as possible. And there you have it, guys, your lashes are on. Go ahead and add mascara and eyeliner to your bottom lashes so they even out with the top ones. If you guys want to see how I got this look, go ahead and leave that comment down below. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.